Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning about energy resources. So these are the different ways that we can generate electricity. We need to be able to link this to the energy transfers and stores work that we did earlier, because all we're doing is finding one store of energy and transferring it to electricity, which we can then use in the home. So we'll be looking at different types of energy resources, which ones are renewable and which ones are not renewable, and the advantages and disadvantages of each. For your first task today, what you're going to do is visit the website which is linked and create a mind map which show the different sources of energy, dividing them into renewable and non-renewable, and then linking each one to what form of energy it uses to transfer into electricity. For example, wind energy, you've got the spinning turbine, which uses the kinetic energy from the movement of the turbine and transfers it into electricity. If you're thinking about solar energy, it's using light energy and transferring that light energy into electrical energy. Have a go at this now.